Hello there, and welcome to one more lesson of Portuguese for Beginners. It's already number 38. That's amazing. Shall we start remembering our last lesson? It was all about the weather. Do you recall it? Let's go then. Repeat after me. Clima, sol, lua, nuvens, chuva, neve, tempestade, trovão, relâmpago. Está calor, está frio, está bom tempo, está mau tempo, está sol, está nublado, está vento, está a nevar, está chuvoso, primavera, verão, outono, inverno. Como está o tempo hoje? Qual a estação do ano? Good. Now, today's content. All about sports. Desportos. Desportos. We have baseball, baseball, football, football, basketball, basketball, golf, golf, just the same as in English, hockey, hockey, once again the same, tennis, tennis, very similar, volleyball, volleyball, and natação, natação. Great. Now some related vocabulary. Piscina, piscina. Do you see the S and C together? They become sh. Sh. Piscina. And then estádio. Estádio. As in estádio de futebol, for example. Ginásio. Ginásio. Jogo. Jogo. Partida. Partida. But jogo is definitely more common. Equipa, equipa. The U is silent here. Equipa. Corrida, corrida. Bola, bola. Raquete, raquete. Again, the U is silent. And finally, rede, rede. Well done. Now a few verbs, all right? We have jogar, jogar, jogar futebol, jogar ténis, and so on. Let's conjugate it. It's a regular ending with AR verb, so you know the rules. Eu jogo, tu jogas, ele joga, nós jogamos, vós jogais, eles jogam. Okay. Then we have esquiar. Esquiar. Let's conjugate this one too. Eu esquio, tu esquias, ele esquia. Nós esquiamos, vós esquiais, eles esquiam. Good. There is also praticar. Praticar. It's regular, so you conjugate it like the previous ones. Just note here that praticar may be used like the word jogar. I practice this sport or that sport, like in I play, but may also be used as in the sense of training. All right? Okay. Then we have lançar. Lançar. Also a regular verb. Chutar. Chutar. Regular again. Ganhar. Ganhar. And empatar. Empatar. All regular verbs ending with AR, so they keep the root and the end changes according to the rules, okay? Now, one last verb, irregular, ending with ER. Perder. Perder. Let's conjugate it together, since it is irregular. Eu perco. Tu perdes. Ele perde. Nós perdemos. Vós perdeis. Eles perdem. All right. Very good. What do you think about practicing a little? A little translation exercise from English to Portuguese with conjugated verbs. Okay? You may pause the lesson, prepare your answers, and come back. I'll wait here. Are you back? Let's see the solution. I play football. Eu jogo futebol. He kicks the ball. Ele chuta a bola. They ski in the winter. Eles esquiam no inverno. We throw the ball. Nós lançamos a bola. You, there, win the game. Tu, aí, ganha o jogo. Wonderful. Now, our final review. Repeat after me. Desportos. Beisebol. Futebol. Basquetebol. Golfe. Hóquei. Ténis. voleibol, natação, piscina, estádio, ginásio, jogo, partida, equipa, corrida, bola, raquete, rede, jogar, esquiar, praticar, lançar, chutar, ganhar, empatar, perder. Good. And we're done for this lesson. Congratulations on your effort and hard work. Parabéns!